Guys, welcome back to our channel Anki and Isu. I am Anki. I hope you all are well and safe. Please stay at home and wash your hand, and please follow government instruction in this pandemic situation. So today I have come up with a new video for you guys to watch, and it is unboxing video. I hope you guys have been following me for a long time. You know that I do unboxing of bellabox, but I'm very excited to share with you that bellabox has changed. So they have done some redesign for the box and font, and we can see the pastel mint color box, and bellabox is in golden color. So it is very beautiful. Previously we used to see this box with a blue sky blue and dot polka dot theme, but this has changed, and look at this guys, it's so beautiful, and I'm very excited to have this in my cupboard and just enjoy. And I hope you guys will enjoy what's inside this box, and let's get started. You have to agree with me, guys. This beautiful mint colored Bella box is so beautiful. First off, I can see Bella box self love delivered card, and it says it's a new year, a new decade, and it's bloody time we switched things up a little. It's a letter for all the Bellas of Bella box. Next up, I can see a product card with Bella box self love teddy bird, and it's beautiful, but I can't see the theme we used to get before. It's just a normal product card. This card has all the product information, their retail price, and where we can find them. Here comes the exciting part to open bellabox. Ta-da! The first thing I can see is $10 voucher from Francisca. Francisca is a Tasmanian jewelry company which also has its shop here in Melbourne CBD, Tasmania CBD, and online. Another product is a Japanese technology deep cleansing pore stripes. It's a very good solution for blackheads and great for combination skin. I have got 6 stripes inside Bayer, and it's a full size product, and also have done a little demonstration for you guys. Just wet your nose and put that stripe, wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and voila, your pores are deeply cleansed. In the meantime, you can take lots of selfie and tag to brand. So next is, I am very excited. It's a cookie. Bellabox cookie from Sweet Mickey. I look forward to eat that. Nom nom nom. I have to admit here that I'm big fan and hoarder of lipstick, and I can see everlasting liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. Look at the color of the lipstick. I hope you can see, otherwise I'll swatch it here and then try to show you guys. I hope you can see it. My lipstick shade is Bone and Arrow, and if you like it, please comment below. Bonus product for this month is Christo Provin Cleansing Volumizing Paste. It has a pure rosol, clay, and rose extract. So according to direction, I have to use this for 2 minutes in my hair. In my wet hair, I have to work through section and gently massage in this scarf. It gives a volume to my hair. This beautiful green colored product is a regenerating sheet mask. It has aloe vera, pomegranate, and green tea extract. It says the only time you are allowed to be two-faced. Second last product is, I hope I can pronounce well, it's a Jinju Ginseng and Eucalyptus Under Eye Mask. It is a full size product, and Jinju's eye patches revitalize tired eyes with a refreshing formula, boosting moisture under the eyes. Anti-inflammatory properties of eucalyptus calm the skin in this area, while cocoa seed oil helps to hydrate. Last product in the box is Grams Natural Organic Lip Balm, and it's a full size product. Also in product card it says it's completely edible. Winter is coming in Australia, so I hope this lip balm will help me in my cracked lips. So that's it guys, all of these products are in bellabox March box, and it just costs $19.95, but if you count all the product price individually, it's a lot. And I always love unboxing bellabox. It's a little surprise for me every month, and I absolutely love the look and feel of new bellabox. It's simple, it's elegant and sophisticated product, as well as the packaging is very simple and nice. Thank you so much for watching unboxing video of bellabox. I hope you love that. And if you want to get bellabox for yourself, and if you haven't got any, you can use my code ANKIXBB, that is ANKIXBB, and you will get the $5 off in total 1995. How good is that? I have come up with you guys for a code, so you can always enjoy if you haven't purchased till now, and if you are really interested in this. And I hope to get in touch again. See you. Bye bye. Stay safe again. It's tasty. I love it.